Bro, sleeping near your dad is like camping next to a broken jet engine. You close your eyes and suddenly, rah, rah, rah. Like, damn, is he sleeping or summoning demons through his nose? It starts innocent, one small snore. Then, boom, full-on earthquake simulation. My ceiling fan gave up. My soul left the chat. Every breath sounds like he's vacuuming the afterlife. And somehow, he changes beats. Like 1 minute, it's brr. Next, it's k. Pause, k. Bro doing DJ Snore Mix Volume 3 in real time. And when you try to wake him up, he's like, I wasn't sleeping. Oh yeah? Then who's running the industrial factory in your throat, Dad? You put a pillow over your ears. Doesn't work. You put another one, still doesn't work. At this point, you're just considering moving out. Then he wakes up in the morning all peaceful like, did you sleep well? Yeah, totally. I just survived World War Z, Snore Edition.